Most K-12 teachers or higher ed professionals did not join the profession in hopes of getting rich. Usually they chose the profession because they love what they teach and they have a passion for working with students. But a major part of their job involves the creation of original content. The content teachers are creating includes lesson plans, worksheets, course materials, and even posters, anchor charts, and other visuals. When teachers, professors, or any other individual create something as part of their job, the question becomes who owns these materials? The teacher or professor that created them, or the school district or the university they work for? This question deals with the concept of intellectual property. The definition of intellectual property says that any work, creation, idea, or design belongs to the person who came up with it, and they have exclusive rights to it. Since it's their idea, they have the right to patent, copyright, or trademark it as they see fit. But with sites like Teacher Pay Teachers and We Are Teachers providing an online marketplace for original classroom materials, many in education are questioning whether or not teachers truly own the content they create as part of their job, and whether or not they have the right to profit from the sale of these materials. So who owns teacher-created materials? If we look at the Copyright Act of 1976, then items created by teachers as part of their employment are considered works for hire, and thus are actually owned by the school or institution the individual works for. In 2004, a New York appellate court ruled on a case related to this issue, and just like the Copyright Act, the court said that tests, quizzes, homework problems, and other classroom materials are works for hire that belong to the school district. The court admitted that their decision would be different if the teacher was creating materials specifically for publication, but since the materials in question were created as part of their job, they are simply works for hire. So what constitutes intellectual property? Well, it's any content, idea, or design that belongs to the person who created it. However, if that content, idea, or design was created as part of your job, it could actually belong to someone else. Before attempting to sell or profit from work created as part of your job, you may want to check with your employer's legal department to ensure you have the right to do so.